Right, and breaking news coming in from Karnataka now. Mirror Now has accessed the medical report of Anand Singh, the Congress MLA from Karnataka who was under very controversial circumstances admitted to a hospital. Now, Mirror Now has accessed his medical report, which shows that there are injuries to his head, face and left side of the chest. My colleague Shrija is going to be joining us from the Eagleton Resort in Bengaluru in just a bit. But of course, remember, there have been conflicting versions that have coming out as far as Anand Singh is concerned and why he's in the hospital. Shrija, if you can hear me now, we have the medical report and this clearly says that there have been injuries to his face, his chest, and there's something that's hard to really defend when you see the kind of reactions that have been coming in from the Congress. Some person saying that he slipped, some person saying there was a brawl. So it's a little difficult to reconcile all these versions now that the medical report is clear indication that something went wrong at the Eagleton Resort that night.
Well, absolutely, Aarti. In fact, this particular the medical report that we have accessed from Apollo Hospital clearly states that Anand Singh had suffered injuries on his head, and it also talks about his face and the left side of his chest. But however, remember that Congress even now continues to maintain that he only had discomfort in his chest, and that is why he had to be rushed to Apollo Hospital. But now the medical report also proves the fact that yes, he received injuries to head, because remember that though there were several allegations that MLA Kampli Ganesh had hit him with a bottle. But however, all those allegations have now been cleared by the Congress themselves. But this one particular report, medical report, how did he sustain or how did he receive that particular injury to his head is still not known, considering the fact that he was at the time of the incident, he was right here inside Eagleton Resort. And clearly we see even the medical report states that he did not receive anywhere else, but the injuries he suffered was right inside this particular resort, and then he was taken to Apollo Hospital. Now that is what the medical report states. Now as far as his family members, Anand Singh's family members are concerned, we hear that they are in no position to go ahead and take a legal course of action at this point in time. Now clearly we see that right now the Congress is looking forward to save their face, because remember there have been several allegations about the Congress party, that especially from coming in from BJP, that there is infighting not just at the legislature, but we are also talking about at the Secretariat, but also inside Eagleton Resort. So today what we are looking at here is, yes, there was a common legislature party meeting which was called yesterday by KC Venugopal, KPCC General Secretary. He had a one-on-one conversation with all the MLAs right here inside the premises of Eagleton Resort. And today we understand that they were planning to call for a CLP meeting, but however they had to cancel that, and most of the MLAs have already, some of them have already left for Tumakuru.
Right.
Remember to, in fact, considering the fact that Siddhaganga Sir is admitted to the hospital, while some have already returned to their constituency.
Right, Shrija, I was just going to come to you on that issue. Now, we are given to understand that most of the MLAs have left Eagleton. Are there some of them still holed up inside? Are they all leaving? What is the latest update as far as the Congress camp is concerned?
Well, as far as Dinesh Gundu Rao is concerned, he is the KPCC president here, Karnataka Pradesh Congress president, and he has also informed the media by saying that all the MLAs will be leaving Eagleton Resort. Yes, we did just see that some of them have already left, including Siddaramaiah. He's left in his chopper. They will be going to especially meeting Siddhaganga Sir. This is at especially Tumakuru, but some of them, we hear that some of the MLAs will return back to their constituencies, because remember, yes, there are several issues that they have discussed over here at Eagleton Resort. One of them being the drought issue, and that is exactly the reason why we see DK Shivkumar had to call for a presser on Saturday, briefing the media by saying that nearly over 156 taluks here in Karnataka have been drought affected. Now, this is what we are discussing. So, for today, we see that everybody have moved out of this Eagleton Resort, which means they will be getting back to work and on the issues that they have discussed right here at Eagleton Resort.
Well, hopefully they will be getting back to work, but the mystery continues over Anand Singh. Mirror Now, of course, accessing that medical report, which shows that there were injuries to his face and his chest, raising serious questions. So what happened at the Eagleton Resort? Was there a brawl, and what really sparked that off? Now, Dinesh Gundu Rao, as Shrija was just mentioning, put up a brave front some time ago. We have a bite coming in from him. Let's listen into what he had to say regarding Anand Singh. Okay, we're going to get to that bite in just a bit, but Shrija, if you were hearing the press conference of Anand Singh, what exactly did he say as far, I beg your pardon, you heard the press conference from Dinesh Gundu Rao, what exactly did he say regarding Anand Singh?
Well, as far as Anand Singh is concerned, Dinesh Gundu Rao, he did brief the media by saying that he is right now recuperating and there is nothing to worry whatsoever. But however, he will be divulging more details as to what really transpired here at Eagleton Resort. This is at around 3 p.m. Now, that is something that Dinesh Gundu Rao stated. But apart from his family members, they have also informed his family members that there is nothing to worry, because this is what has been conveyed to Anand Singh's family members by just not Dinesh Gundu Rao, but several other Congress leaders as well. So this is exactly what we see that Dinesh Gundu Rao has conveyed, and for them it was really high time to move out of this particular resort. Now, he did of course mention that they had to move to the resort only because of the last two MLAs who failed to attend the Congress Legislature Party's meeting. This is on Friday night, and the fears had gripped here in Karnataka, thinking that there will be more and more MLAs who will be jumping the ship. But now that they have a clarity on the fact that there will be no more MLAs who will be jumping the ship, they have decided to move out of this particular resort. But as far as Anand Singh is concerned, we will have to wait and watch what really Dinesh Gundu Rao is going to brief the media once again based on his health condition.
Shrija, for joining us with all those updates from outside the Eagleton Resort. We do have, of course, that soundbite from Dinesh Gundu Rao. Let's take a listen into what he had to say.
Last night after our CLP meeting, and by the time in the midnight when we finished, then all of us, General Secretary, CLP leader, Deputy Chief Minister, and all of us, we went to the hospital and we visited our colleague Shri Anand Singh, and we spoke to him also, and we inquired about his health, and we had detailed discussions with him and his family members. And similarly, I wish him speedy recovery.